One of the key things for Fiber Photonics is to explore the partnerships that could be available on our doorstep, and there is a significant academic base that we have tried to work with. We are, after all, physics people who understand fibre optics, and yet the applications are all in chemistry and biotechnology. So we spend a lot of time looking at the academic capability in those fields so that we can learn from them. And I had seen a presentation given by Professor Martin Tangney some years ago on the infancy of the Biofuel Centre, and I thought that's somewhere where we could take our products once we have them ready. And now that we have them ready, I thought that's now time for the challenge. We should phone up and see whether there's something we can do with the university and with the company. Firstly, the results are extremely encouraging. Remember, we started from a point where we asked the question, can we actually do something for you here? So initially a yes is an encouraging and positive thing for the company. We've been able to see changes in chemical composition, which means we have the potential to offer the Biofuel Research Centre the chance to control what's going on in those reactions. That now gives me the potential to create application notes and to look at specifically targeting this industry for the company. Previously, we didn't know whether anything was possible or not, so we now have that clarified. And hopefully we started to build a long-term relationship with the university, which will lead to students that we can sponsor, potential applications for funding collectively in Scotland or even within Europe. The future developments have to be in the scale-up, because ultimately having a biofuel produced on a lab scale is not sufficient for the industry. We realise the benefit of the products that we can offer is in understanding what's going on in a small reactor so that you can scale up more efficiently. The chance to take that scale up to larger vessel sizes and then to pilot plant production would be perfect for us, and I think it's an excellent opportunity for Fiber Photonics and the Biofuel Research Centre to work together on that topic.
What interests us in working with the Biofuel Business Programme is to investigate the use of a Fiber Photonics mid-infrared ATR immersion probe for the use of reaction monitoring. The probe allowed us to monitor in situ the depletion of the starting material and monitor in real time the formation of the hydrocarbon product.
There's a significant number of sectors that can benefit from our technology, and it's part of the challenge for the companies picking which ones are going to be most suitable and most receptive. These sectors include the environmental side of things with water quality analysis, through chemical development and production in pharma, agrochemicals, petrochemicals, but also in food and drink with new nutraceutical products coming online and new drugs coming online. But of most interest, and actually tied to the Biofuel Centre, is whisky. I know you use a byproduct in part of your processes. Well, we're working with the whisky industry just now on the process of authentication, where we can determine counterfeit whiskies from batches that are being produced. It's a huge issue for the industry, and it's one that we know we can actually use exactly the same equipment set to determine what is counterfeit and what is authentic.